Hi everyone, it's Kelly and we're back with a couple more activities to do outside. It's a really hot day today, so I'm going to show you some water fun activities. This first one is going to be an ice activity. So this one takes a day for our ice to freeze. So I'm going to show you step one of this activity. For this one, we need a container of water. So I've got my water in its container already. And what we're going to do is we're going to find some toys that we can put in it. So I found some toys already. So we're going to put them inside. And you can make this a sink and float activity to see what sinks and what floats inside. Then we're going to add some food coloring. I wonder what color this will be when I pour it in. Can you tell me? What color is our water turning? Let's stir it up. Can you see that? What color is the water turning? Did you say blue? You're right. Our water is blue. And guess what? I'm going to put the spoon in there too. And it sunk to the bottom. And what I would do next is I would put this in the freezer and let it freeze overnight so that it's ready for us for tomorrow. I'm just going to put this to the side right now. And I'm going to get out the one that I did freeze. Look at this. This is the one I made yesterday. I put it in the freezer and I took it out and look, it's hard. It turned into ice. Let's see if it'll come out of the container. It is solid. This is what happens to the water when it freezes. So right now it's a liquid, and when I put it into the freezer and it freezes, it becomes a solid. So part two of this activity on a hot day outside is it becomes a treasure hunt. We're trying to free our treasures that are trapped inside. I can see them, but I can't get to them. I wonder how we could help them escape the ice that they're trapped into. I have my tools here. Let's see. I have some tools that I brought that can help us. So I have a hammer. I have a toy hammer, or I have a real hammer. I have a toy screwdriver, and I have a real screwdriver. I also have my safety goggles. If you have safety goggles at home that you play with your tool set, you can put them on. Shall I put them on? I guess so. Let's see. Safety first. And I could use my toy hammer and screwdriver and chip away. And see how the ice is breaking away? If I do this outside on a hot day, the ice will also start to melt away, and my toys will start to free up. So that's a fun activity that I can play at. So that's something you can try on a hot day outside. Are you ready to see what I have for you for toy action number 2? Our second activity of the day is building yourself a water wall. You can have lots of fun this summer creating this awesome water wall with these materials. All you need is some pool noodles, water funnels, and measuring cups, buckets, anything you have at your home that you can have fun with water. Get yourself some sponges, some measuring scoops, empty dish soap containers, water bottles, whatever you have, you can bring into the water play. The kids will have hours of fun. What we've done is we've used our fencing, and you can attach it with, we've used our twine, but if you're going to leave it up, you can use whatever you want. And as you can see, we just put our funnels on the top. Watch what happens when we put the water in. Here it comes. Can you see it? See how the water is running down through the hole, out the bottom. You can make your water run out different ways. What happens when we squeeze the sponge in? The water is running down the different ways. Hours of fun can be had out here, but don't forget your sunscreen. Remember, sun safety. So again, don't forget to show us your pictures at #BrantfordBrant. Have lots of fun with that. See you next time.